Oh, that is one nice machine. What's happening? How we doing, Ken?
Hey, Brian, you're going to love this.
Or we like to call him Tracker Ken, owner, engineer, developer, builder of the Tracker CNC plasma table. Tell us about your table.
Well, this is a 4x8 system right here. It's the type of machine once you get in your shop, it absolutely changes your world. You can do the stuff you're doing out there by hand, laying all the things out you can do on the screen here. I've actually taken these pictures I've got, superimposing them onto this dash here.
And now, here's what we were thinking. We're thinking we come off center line, go ahead and do our speedo, come over to this side, come right in the center of the dash with those two gauges, and then basically go tack, evenly spaced between the other, so go even spaces in between there.
It's easy to do. This was kind of my guess at the first go at it here, but we can just take this cluster and move them over. And we'll move the speedometer over here. And you wanted a dimension here, you said?
Yes, I think it's about 9 inches to the hole.
I can set that guideline. I'll move that to 9 inches. And you wanted these other instruments on the center line, right?
Yes. Center of this one through the center of that.
Center line, I can through the center of this.
Yes.
All right. I can drag that over there. This is the way I'd like it to look.
Man, you make it look way too easy.
We can get down to the fine work after I get the schematics off those instruments. I'll make all the bezels the perfect size holes and the bolt circles. And
perfect. It's too easy. All right, well, we got to take a break right now. We come back. We're going to get all these lined out, get them cut, get the new pieces in. It's going to be... Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right, we're back here again with Tracker Ken. We've got our dash panel that we're about to cut out on the CNC plasma cutter. Me at home, I got two choices. Lay this baby out, take my time, drill press, punch holes, or call a good buddy like Ken who can cut it out quick and easy and accurate. So what's involved here?
We got everything all laid out in the software. It's open in Command and Cut software. We're ready to cut. All we got to do is push D, stands for do it, and then enter. Torch takes off over to the first hole. Plunges down, finds the material, turns on the torch, cuts the hole, goes over to the next hole. We've already taken the time to arrange this in a reasonable order. You can do all that within the software. I can change the direction of the cut, all the different orders of the cut. I can change the speed of the torch, the standoff height.
On a plasma cutter, all those different adjustments affect not only the accuracy, but how clean the cut is. Because these look really clean. I mean, they came out really nice.
Yeah, the quality of the cut. You have a basic chart to go by what you need to set it to, and then you kind of tweak it as you go a little faster. You want to go faster, you tap the F key. That's faster. What do you think S is?
Slower.
Slower.
I know slower will.
All right.
Now, what about different thicknesses? How thick will this thing go?
Depends on the power source. Plasma, the maximum is about 1 inch. So we're just cutting aluminum here today, so we can cut it to 200 inches a minute easily with this stuff.
Now, something I was surprised. I thought this would be, like a $50,000 machine. I think one of the great things I like about it, it's pretty compact. It looks like it's easy to use. And it's lightweight, so if you did need to move it, it's not that big a deal. And correct me if I'm wrong, but it's under 20 grand, which for somebody like me, that's impressive.
Yes, you can get it, and you can use your own plasma cutter that you already have if you want, or you can buy a complete system. It comes with total end user support, so we train you how to do everything you need to do from design right through to cutting parts.
Now, one of the other things I thought was pretty cool is the torch actually moves with the panel as it heats up and bows.
The software is actually sensing the arc voltage, and then every time the torch makes an incremental move, it samples the arc voltage. When the torch gets further from the material, the voltage goes higher, just like a spark plug. So we're counting that voltage. If our reference voltage is 100 and it goes to 101, it says, okay, I'm further away. So it sends the torch down an increment and completes another increment in an X and Y motion. So it's continuously checking. So it will cut that wall steel if you want. It'll follow any material, any contour.
Seems a little bit faster than me just going up and down with my plasma cutter. I think I need one. How many dashes do you think I have to make before I can afford one? 10?
Just the one.
Just the one?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's get this baby off. That's about ready. Oh, that turned out nice. That is why they call him Tracker Ken. Look at that. Nice job.
Quick and easy.
Thank you very much for doing that.
Fun with this thing. It's going to change your world.
That's right. Right now, we're going to do a bead roll in here and get it back into the rat rod. So, hold on.